myself.
Okay. Right. So what are you expecting? Abhi kya hone wala hai? Why are we talking to each other?
Like regarding I'm like very confused about what I want to pick and what I'm interested in
Mhm.
for my future. So.
But you must be thinking something, ke, I'll be the prime minister, I'll be the choreographer, I'll be this, I'll be maybe president. Anything which comes to your mind, ke, okay, maybe this, maybe that.
A while ago, I was thinking about like a nutritional psychiatrist, but nowadays I'm not interested in that also again.
Okay, okay, fine. Now I have sent you an email which has two documents. Right. So, Namya, we're going to be together for at least an hour, hour and a half to 2 hours, or maybe more than that. Or if we continue, we can talk again some other day. Okay. So, this is not that whatever we talk today is the final thing. Clear? It is question of your life. So, we have to go slow. And as of now, your canvas is very small. As a teenager, you know this. You do not have a very big canvas. Okay, so it's a very important question. So first thing is, be very honest while talk to me. In case you want to talk to me something where you don't want your dad to be around, you can ask him to leave for that particular duration. No issues. Okay, done.
Yeah.
चलो, अब वो document को खोलो and I want you to read it.
Okay. The personality one.
Yeah, pick up the profile one. Let's start with the profile one. It is a little longer, so we'll not cover the whole topic, but some of it. Okay. So I want you to speak loud. Chalo bolo.
Okay. Should I read it out loud?
Yes. And smile. This is what I feel is you. Okay. So
Okay.
take it as if you're being interviewed on a television and you're answering the questions. Okay. Start.
Okay. Your primary mode of living is focused internally, where you deal with things rationally and logically. Your secondary mode is external, where you take things in primarily via your intuition.
Mhm.
You
So
live
what do
in
you
the
get
world.
out of this? What do you get out of this? बहुत ज़्यादा
I
सोचती हो, बहुत ज़्यादा सोचती हो. Okay.
okay.
This basic purpose is you think a lot. It's all right. Teenage में सब लोग करते हैं. When your dad was a teenager, he must be thinking a lot. Everybody thinks a lot during teenage. Okay. It's not something very uncomfortable. Chalo.
You live in the world of theoretical possibilities. You see everything in terms of how it could be improved or what it could be turned into.
Hmm.
You live primarily inside your own mind, having the ability to analyze difficult problems, identify patterns, and come up with logical explanations.
Okay. Answer me one question very honestly. How much time does it take for you to communicate to your parents, I need this or I want to do this? How much time do you need and how many times you do the mock practice?
I mean, if it's like something big, like suppose like it's like a big thing, I always think about it before, like how will I try to convince them. But if it's something small, I just go and ask
Okay,
or
so
tell
try and
them.
understand. You are a fantastic director who continues playing small little roles in your own mind, anticipating dad will say this, then I'll say this, etc., etc. Okay, you are a fantastic person. As a teenager, this faculty of yours has grown like anything. Only thing is, you do not share whatever is going on in your mind. That is the little issue here, right? Chalo.
You seek clarity in everything and are therefore driven to build knowledge. You highly value intelligence and the ability to apply logic to theories to find solutions.
Okay, what exactly this means is your stimulation is intellectual. You would appreciate people, those who are intelligent. You would love to talk to them. But if somebody is not behaving intelligently, you may not be interested in talking to them. So, have you cut down a lot of people around you that, okay, I don't have to talk to these people?
I mean, with my alone my friend group, we're all like when we're talking to each other, yeah, we're obviously like being stupid. So I don't really care about that. But when I'm looking at new people, I always notice how like there are different groups in school, right? Like different friend groups. Like I always notice how like one particular group doesn't care about like studies or school. I always notice that, and I like don't like it. I find them annoying because of that.
Okay. So only thing is what I want to communicate here, Namya, everybody on this earth has a right to live here. Okay, sometimes you're very, very harsh. Okay, people, those who do not behave intelligently, you feel why are these people are here? Okay, so go slow. Everybody is allowed to be here on this earth. Okay, chalo, shabash.
You typically are so strongly driven to turn problems into logical explanations that you live much of your life within your own head and may not place as much importance or value onto the external world.
It means you observe a lot. Whenever there is an issue, you may not participate, but that calculation is going on in your mind. So, brain wise, you are a very sharp girl, very, very sharp girl. The only thing is, like you have a very sharp pencil, you got to use it with care, otherwise, it will break. So, this is what
Yeah.
the issue is. Okay, chalo.
Your natural drive to turn theories into concrete understanding may turn into a feeling of personal responsibility to solve theoretical problems and help society move towards a higher understanding.
Okay, so your basic purpose of coming on this earth is, which you have might realize by now, you want to take care of people. You want them to do better in life. So, honestly, tell me, are you taking care of your friends too much? Do you feel that you overdo in taking care of your friends? Be honest, please.
I mean, yeah, sometimes I do. And then I feel afterwards, I feel like I'm wasting my time doing this for them and
या
they're not doing it.
ना मैं वन थिंग अभी से ना हिंदी में बोलते हैं ना, गांठ बांध करके रख लो जो मैं बात तुम्हें बता रहा हूँ. You will never get reciprocated. You will do hell of a lot for other people and you will never get reciprocated. The problem is then you will be either crying alone because you can't even tell people at home that look, I did this to this person and this is what I'm getting in return. So this is where I will ask you to be little miser, mean. People might say कि mean नहीं बनते हैं, but I really want you to be little mean. Okay, cut down. If you want to spend 10,000 rupees on somebody, just spend about 500 rupees. If you want to spend 2 hours with somebody, just spend 10 minutes. Cut down, please. Okay, because this all energy is going from you, and sometime you will be left with no energy to study or do anything concrete. Okay, I'm
Yeah.
ready to open to talk to you for this particular aspect of yours in case you feel like talking whenever in future. Okay,
Okay.
chalo.
You value knowledge above all else. Your mind is constantly working to generate new theories or to prove or disprove existing theories. You approach problems and theories with enthusiasm and skepticism, ignoring existing rules and opinions and defining your own approach to the resolution.
Okay, that means uncomfortable नहीं होना, आप थोड़े जिद्दी किस्म के इंसान हो. Okay, so I have no objection to it. Enjoy being stubborn. I have no objection to this. But then are you comfortable with yourself कि the kind of logic I am living with is all right? बाद में रिपेंट तो नहीं होता कि ओके उस वक्त आई वाज सो स्टबर्न बट नो एक्चुअली आई शुडंट हैव बीन डूइंग ऑल दिस. सो आई होप यू नॉट हैमरिंग योरसेल्फ. You not talking to yourself कि look, I'm not doing well, I shouldn't have been doing it. There's so too much of hammering because that is something which will take you down. Is this happening?
Not much.
Pers beautiful. As long as you're not hammering yourself too much, perfectly fine. Okay,
Yeah.
chalo.
You seek patterns and logical explanations for anything that interests you. You are usually extremely bright and able to be objectively critical in your analysis. You love new ideas and become overly excited over abstractions and theories. You love to discuss these concepts with others.
Okay, now
You may
do you
seek
have people where you discuss whatever is going on in your mind, or you are a loner? Because you're supposed to have very less friends.
no, I mean like I have like a particular group of close friends,
Hmm.
but I don't like still tell them much though.
Okay, so do you find change of behavior when you are with your select group of friends? You are happy, gregarious, enjoying life, and the moment you're out of that group, you are a quiet person. You're talking less.
Yeah.
Okay, okay, okay. Is there anything, Name, you're not liking about yourself these days? Anything which you feel, okay, I'm not liking this about me?
I mean, related to academics, I just think that I study very slow.
Hmm.
Like, it takes me a long time to do a very little portion.
What's going on in your mind when you're studying? What's bothering you
Um,
generally?
like in the beginning, I'm just thinking about how I can like complete this in this much time, but I'm usually not
Hmm.
able to do it. And then
Hmm.
after that, I'm like, okay, let's look for new methods to do it faster because I usually am not able to do it.
Do you really enjoy studies, or you feel that if I'm given an opportunity, I don't want to study?
Yeah, I don't really enjoy it.
Okay, what exactly makes you happy? Like I enjoy talking to people, I enjoy cooking, I enjoy counseling, I enjoy traveling. These are the areas where I'm very comfortable. I like swimming. So what exactly you enjoy? You can say anything. Maybe sleeping, maybe eating, maybe watching TV, maybe doing something.
I mean, I definitely like enjoy when I'm with like my close friends or like a group of people I know very personally.
Hmm.
Then
Okay, it's all right.
I
I've got it. I've got it. Got it. Solid. Let's proceed. Yep. I've got it.
okay. You may seem dreamy and distant to others because you spend a lot of time inside your mind musing over theories. You hate to work on routine things. You would much prefer to build complex theoretical situations and leave the implementation of the system to others. You are intensely interested in theory and will put forth tremendous amounts of time and energy into finding a solution to a problem of your interest.
So do you find that mom dad को problem आती है in tackling you? Be honest.
In like what like what
Like you you
context?
you you won't like routine work. You cannot follow instructions. You
Yeah.
are a person who would love to give instructions than to follow instructions. You have born leadership traits. So either the person who's giving you instruction has to be too good, then only you will follow. Otherwise, you will not follow. Very difficult.
Yeah.
Okay, chalo.
You do not like to lead or control people. You are very tolerant and flexible in most situations unless one of your firmly held beliefs has been violated or challenged, in which case you may take a very rigid stance. You are likely to be very shy when it comes to meeting new people. On the other hand, you are very self confident and gregarious around people you know very well or when discussing theories which they fully understand.
Hmm.
You strive constantly to achieve logical conclusions to problems and do not understand the importance or relevance of applying subjective emotional considerations to decisions. For this reason, you
Oh,
are
now try
usually
and
not
understand.
in.
Yeah, just sorry. Just hold for a second. Now, what happens is you are unable to prioritize that what is my priority. You want to do something very well and devise your own ways of doing it, but it's very difficult for you to prioritize कि ये मुझे जल्दी करना है, मेरा एग्जाम है, I have to finish this, I don't have to spend time here. So I think inside your mind sometime you are very undecisive, very very undecisive, and the worst part is you don't share it. You don't tell people that look, I'm unable to decide, and you can't take instructions from people. Am I right? Am I somewhere closer to you? Do you feel that I know you?
Yeah.
Okay, beautiful. Chalo. I'll be giving you solution to these. These are not major problem. These are the problem almost all the teenagers go through. So that's the reason I'll be giving you certain solutions to this.
For this reason, you are usually not in tune with how people are feeling and are not naturally well equipped to meet the emotional needs of others. You may have a problem with social
Okay.
rebellion.
So do you have some problem with physical touch? Like Can you go and catch your mom, cuddle her, your dad sitting next to you? Be
Yeah.
honest. Do you
Yeah.
generally or sometime?
I I myself don't go and do it, but I don't have a problem with it.
So when you meet your friends, what do you do? Do you cuddle them, shake hands, kiss them like your friends? What do you
I
do?
mean, yeah, like with particular friends, yeah, I hug them a lot and all.
Mhm. Is it a curtsy hug or it's a very tight hug for a little longer time?
Yeah, like we tightly hug.
Okay. Okay, fine. Chalo.
You may have a problem with social rebellion, which will interfere with your creative potential. Since your feeling side is your least developed trait, you may have difficulty giving the warmth and support that is sometimes necessary in intimate relationships. If you do not realize the value of attending to other people's feelings, you may become overly critical and sarcastic with others.
Okay, so
If you
what
are
has
not,
situation come as of now from my point of view? Namya wants dad has to be this way, mom has to be this way, teachers have to be this way, people have to be in this particular way. But don't ask me to be in a particular way. Are you getting it?
yeah,
Because Namya, to be very honest, why I am dissecting everything about you in so detail, which I generally do not do, at least with teenagers. With adults, I definitely do it because I find you very, very intelligent girl. But that intelligence is not culminating into your class performance. So I find that there are a lot of stuff you're thinking which is of no use as of now. Yes, subsequently, this might be of some use. So I can be a help in this in case you want that. Yes, I want to really work on my grades and I really want to cut down this trash. I'll be very happy talking to you on this because you're kind of a people, to be very honest, Namya. Uh, if you don't do well in life, if this society does not recognize your intelligence, there are chances of you going other side of the fence.
if you are not able to find a place for yourself which supports the use of your strongest abilities, you may become generally negative and cynical. If you have not developed your sensing side sufficiently, you may become unaware of your environment and exhibit weakness in performing maintenance type tasks. For you, it is extremely important that ideas and facts are expressed correctly. You are likely to express yourself in what you believe to be absolute truths. Sometimes your well thought out understanding of an idea is not easily understandable by others, but you are not naturally likely to tailor the truth so as to explain it in an understandable way to others. You may be prone to abandoning a project once you have figured it out, moving on to the next thing. It's important that you place importance on expressing your developed theories in understandable ways. In the
Okay,
end,
so
an
that
amazing
means
discovery.
this means basically you've left a lot of projects unfinished. So you'll pick up something, you'll be very excited. Okay, I'm going to do this. After 3, 4 days, 5 days, you will feel no, there is nothing much in it. So change, move. Okay. So how big is your list of uncomfortable projects?
It's pretty vague.
Pretty
Like
big.
it's very vague.
Okay, okay. Right. Namya, what you're going through, you can read it anytime you feel like because these papers are going to be with you, right? And I am
Yeah.
open to have another discussion whenever you feel like. So I basically wanted to give you an idea. If you agree to it that yes, you've got me, you know about me, then I can proceed to the second step. By reading this, do you have an idea? Can you feel that yes, you know me, you know my personality?
Yeah.
Perfectly, right? So let's get down to what is to be done, what career to go in for, and day-to-day activities, what is to be done, right? So do you have something to write on, paper, pen, or something, anything to write on? Just pick up
Yeah.
something. Okay. First thing is, how much is your liquid intake? Pani kitna peete ho aap? Water intake.
I drink very little water. Like sometimes I think about like okay, I should drink more water, and then I either drink like 3 liters or 4 liters a day, or I
Hmm.
drink like one glass in 2 days or one glass every day.
Okay. Hmm.
But
I'll be
mainly I
sending
drink.
you, yeah, I'll be sending you one of my YouTube link, which will give you idea about three things. Okay. So water intake is basically, Namya, if I ask you to run from place A to B, you will run in a particular speed. Done. Second time, let's say there is a very ferocious animal running after you. How will you run? Faster. So whenever
Yeah.
our mind recognizes fear, some chemicals get released in our body, which gives us energy, and we run faster and save ourselves. Now, Namya, what
Yeah.
is happening? There is no animal running after you, but you are constantly under fear. I should be able to perform. ऐसा क्यों हो रहा है? And mind is recognizing this fear continuously and releasing that chemical which you're not using. So that chemical is lying in your tummy, making you lazy, lethargy, sometimes frustrated, uncomfortable, gussa, self-hammering. So what I'm asking you, increase your liquid intake so that this chemical gets diluted and leave your body, because this chemical is not good for you. If you're
Okay.
utilizing this, then it's perfectly fine. So please make sure you have so much of liquid intake. When I say liquid, water, milk, soup, juices, homemade, nothing from outside. No acidic formations, no preservative stuff. Okay. You
Okay.
have to have so much so that you go to washroom 6 to 7 times a day. So accordingly, manage your liquid intake, right? Because this
Yes.
is the medicine. Otherwise, if you continue same way, ना मैं थोड़ा मुश्किल हो जाएगी बाद में. बॉडी जो है वो अभी यंग हो, सब कुछ ठीक है, बाद में मुश्किल हो जाएगी. डन. सेकंड थिंग इज, व्हाट डू यू क्रेव फॉर फूड वाइज?
It's pretty random. Like sometimes I would want fruits, but then sometimes I would want something salty. It's not specific usually.
Okay, I want you to add alkaline food to your diet for next 15 days. Google alkaline food, you will get a list of alkaline food in terms of bananas, carrots, figs. So twice a day, take a small bowl and have these fruits, right? So it'll make your pH balance. Because as of now, I think your pH is more acidic, which makes you very uncomfortable, right? So liquid intake is done. Second thing is alkaline food.
I
And third thing is you're not releasing endorphins. Endorphins are released when you exercise, when you sweat, when you go out of breath. Are you doing anything?
no.
Namya, mat kar aisa. Namya, you have to pay tax to live 24 hours. So pay tax for 25 minutes. Like your dad must be paying hell of a tax, right? So you pay tax because I have to live for 24 hours. So 25 minutes is tax. So what you do in those 25 minutes? You take out your sweat. Are you eating too much of chocolate or chilies?
No.
So you're not releasing endorphin. Endorphins are released when you eat a lot of chocolates or chilies, or you go out of breath and do physical exercise, right? So these three things are there for you whole life: liquid intake, alkaline food, and release of endorphins. Done. If you
Okay.
don't do this, success is going to be far away from you. This is the only thing I found in your whole profile I thought must be lacking, and yes, it is. Done. Uh, Baki, I'll be sending you a list of to dos where I'll be asking you to take out your thoughts, means share your thoughts with somebody, because you do not open up to people. You're very protective about your thoughts. So, do you write a diary or something?
No.
Can you blog anonymous?
Can I or do I? I don't.
No, you can. That your dad, as a head of the family, has to permit you. But
Okay. I
I need an outlet for you. It can be a human being acting as a dustbin where you take out your kachra every day and throw, which you're not doing. Or you write it down, which you said, okay, you haven't started. Third thing is you run, sprint, take a 100-meter patch, point A to point B, run, walk back. You do 5 to 6 such sprints and you're taken care of. Your that inside kachra is burnt because you're generating too much of uncomfortable thoughts, and there is no outlet. All this is lying inside you. So moment somebody is talking to you, you're already, let's say, I'm sorry, using a very uncomfortable example, there is a dustbin, it is already full of kachra, and somebody is again adding it to it. Okay.
yeah.
Don't go by the literal meaning of kachra and dustbin. Understand?
Yeah.
Okay. So I want you to keep emptying yourself, because you create so much of thoughts, but you are not putting them into practicals. You're just thinking about it. So maybe blogging, maybe writing, maybe running, maybe sharing it with somebody. Done. And you need a bada dustbin, not chota dustbin. Is it okay if you make any of your parent, will you be okay sharing what is inside you with any of your parent? Because that is the best part, because it'll then go nowhere, because outside people might leak it.
Yeah.
So I've given you a number of options. Please pick up something so that you empty yourself and you're all right in the times to come. Postponing your plan. If you decide 5 o'clock I'm going to study, come what may, whether there is an earthquake in Chandigarh or some friend has fallen sick, you will study at 5 o'clock. Problem is, you plan that I'll study at 5 o'clock and then you keep pushing it ahead. And later on, then you feel bad about it and then you don't talk about it. And you can't take a negative remark also from somebody. I'm sure this is the situation. Okay. So,
Yeah.
Namya, I find you a beautiful girl, so intelligent, ready to inspire, influence so many people in the times to come. Couple of years, just hold your horses, go what I'm asking you to do. I really want you to do well in your 10th board exams. When are they starting?
They're in May.
And how much time do you have?
Um,
Like, have you
like,
finished your syllabus?
yeah, pretty much.
So, can we make a plan that now onwards, how you going to study, how much time, how many packets in a day, masti time, study time? Will you be interested in all this?
Yeah.
I can conduct a session if you feel that, look, yes, if you tell me that this is how I need to go about, I'm ready to do that. Namya, with your profile, I really want you to be the topper, because if you're not a topper, because I'm sure now also the people, those who are doing better than you feel sometimes, no, I'm better than these people. You must be having this kind of a feeling. But as far as the execution part is concerned, you're not executing that. I think you can do this. And the rest of the stuff can be done later on, because 10th board exam result will be counted everywhere, wherever you go. And this will give you boost to your self-esteem also. You'll feel so great about yourself. Look, my photograph in the newspaper. I'm the topper.
Yeah.
Just follow my instructions without questioning me. Trust me, you can do this. Right?
Okay.
Right? Okay.
Yeah.
तो जर्नलिस्ट मैंने बातें बता दी है. अब now let's come to your career part of it. So just hold for 5 minutes. I'm sending you another email and then we talk about your career. So you can take a 5 minutes break and then come back.
Okay.
Right? 5 minutes. Yeah. So you've gone through your career profile.
Yeah,
So what are
not
the
the whole
shocks?
thing.
Shocks क्या लगे हैं?
I mean, most of the stuff like is accurate. Like I knew this. I'm like this. I knew I'm like this and all. But specifically,
Smile on your face, okay? We're enjoying talking to each other, okay? No stress. Smile.
yeah. Um, I I haven't gone through it like very clearly right
Yeah.
so far. I
Yeah.
read.
Namya, we'll be having another session because it's a question of your life, your career. So you can't just take it in an hour or 2 hours. Okay, I've been told this, I'm doing this. You're not a follower. You are a person who going to observe a lot, get into, dissect it, find out the dichotomies, discuss it. And maybe after 2 months, again, you raise your hands, say, no, I'm not doing it. We are okay with it. But I want you to go through it, understand it. Now, the first thing is I've given you humanities, though you're suitable for science. You're suitable for science. Your kind of
Okay.
people make, you see, if you get into the personality of Albert Einstein, all these hi-fi science people, you belong to this category. But the problem is, have you read about anybody or any of these scientists, their school life, their early life, education life? Have you read about it?
I haven't like I don't remember exactly what I read, but in general, like most of them were like they were dropouts. They didn't do very well in school, I
Yes,
think.
yes, yes. I don't want you to do that. Okay, no dropping out of school, but you belong to that category. Okay. The only thing is, now the era has changed. Now these people were earlier in 1900 something. Now we are in a different century altogether. You have two parents watching you constantly. So I can't say that you get into science and then every 6 months you say, look, I've got a back, I've got so much back to be clear, etc. But it's going to be difficult for you to pursue science. But yes, once you become an engineer or kind of a profile I've sent you, after that, if you're given something innovative to find out something, then you'll be very good. So the difference between a normal engineer and a scientist is scientist is using his brain more on the imagination part, but has done the logical study.
Yeah.
Whereas for you to do this logical study will be a big issue. Parents बहुत uncomfortable हो जाएंगे. बुरा नहीं माना, I don't expect that you to do that. I've been associated with a lot of doctors. They have taken 8 years to complete their degrees. A lot of engineers, they have taken n number of years because your kind of a profile is generally more into finding out what is the truth, why this, why should I be doing this, etc. etc. और वो इस चक्कर में कुछ कर ही नहीं पाते हैं बिकॉज वो किसी के अंडर काम नहीं करते सुपरविजन दे डू नॉट लाइक सुपरविजन सो I had really spent time thinking over it. So I want what I wanted. I wanted you to be a civil servant, where three things I was finding very comfortable with you: taking care of people, because your understanding of people is very good, and then taking care of people in a better way. You can't तुम मतलब you can't start with the negative things के वाइन शॉप या कुछ ऐसा टेढ़ा मेढ़ा नहीं खोल सकती हो. You will always do better for them. So people, their improvement, and then naturally there is social stability, money, etc. All those things are needed. So I felt very good that if I make you do graduation in any subject, for example, economics and psychologies are very suitable subjects to do your civil services. Okay, I do understand for you to stay focused for 5 years is a very difficult proposition. I understand there will be a lot of bifurcations in between, but I've been working in this line last 22 years, so I felt your kind of a person, if she becomes an IAS officer, I think she'll do much better for the people. बट यस तुम्हें पढ़ाई में हमें लगा के रखना पड़ेगा क्योंकि तुम बीच बीच में छोड़ दोगी बीच बीच में तुम हाथ खड़े कर सकती हो बिकॉज बाइफरकेट बहुत करोगी अच्छा मैं जैसे लाइक यू मेंशन कि मैं यूट्यूब पे चली जाती हूँ मैं ऐसा कर लेती हूँ यू विल बी परमिटेड टू डू ऑल दिस मैं भी यूट्यूब करता हूँ मैं भी 1 महीने से कुछ अपना बना रहा हूँ और मैं भेजता रहता हूँ लोगों को सो आई विल बी आस्किंग यू टू डू समथिंग सो दैट योर क्रिएटिव पार्ट इज टेकन केयर ऑफ the study I am asking you to do, or the studies are generally logical in nature. So your creative mind makes you very uncomfortable. So it needs something to feed on. So weekly basis, I'll be asking you to do something creatively so that this part is taken care of and you're able to focus on your main studies. Otherwise, what will happen is you will keep shuttling between both the things. कि मैं ये करूं ऐसा करूं ये ऐसा कर लेती हूं मैं etc etc. Okay. So, how do you take it if I ask you to go for humanities? Now, give me everything about it. Maybe you say, my parents won't like it, my relatives won't like it, I'm not liking it. Because generally, humanities people associate that people, those who don't do well, generally go for humanities. Maybe they associate with it. But as of now, because my expectation from you is after plus two, I want you to study either in Delhi University, the best of the places to study. Okay. And for that, you got to hit 96, 97% marks. Of course, I haven't spoken to your parents about it because they have to agree to it. can they let you go to that place or not, etc., etc. Okay, because
Yeah.
my this thing is, if I find you becoming shrewd, then I'll ask you to go in for economic honors, and then maybe I'll ask you to go to London School of Economics and do your masters from there, right? Or if I find you that no, you are not shrewd, you're still in a very helping kind of a stuff, then I'll ask you to do your psychology from Delhi University, or maybe go to University of Reading, UK. That depends if your parents permit you to go abroad. Otherwise, in India also there are number of, maybe you go to TIS, Tata Institute of Social Science, and do your masters from there. Or maybe after graduation, 16 years of education, I'll ask you to go in for your GRE and do your masters from US. It depends, because your dad has to take certain decisions which are 4 years, 5 years hence we can take later on. As of now, what we are focusing is 10th board exams. We have to really do well, so that that is your signature. People should get to know, okay, Namya is coming up. This is what she's done in 10th. So they can expect a lot from you. And then +1 and +2, you got to literally slog. So for me, if I ask you to go in for any of the non-medicals or any of the science subjects, the competition, the other stuff will really make you very uncomfortable. You may not be able to perform. That's the reason I've asked you to get into these subjects. Simple subjects. It will give you a lot of time to get into your creative stuff also. But trust me, girl, you need 96, 97% marks in these subjects in +2 to get into DU. Otherwise, no DU. So I'm putting you at this pedestal. Now, do you agree with this? Give me your reactions to this.
About taking humanities, I mean, like, as we were thinking about what streams I should take, the last one we had thought about was humanities. Like, we ended up on humanities, but we hadn't decided on like yes or no. Um, I'm not that interested in science, but I definitely would want to take humanities over science. So
Namya, take your time. The best thing I love about you is you're a very good thinker, and you enjoy thinking sitting alone. Okay, so take your time. Maybe 2 days, 3 days, 4 days, 5 days, 6 days, whatever time you need. मुझे text कर देना that I need a good amount of time. In the meantime, if you have some questions coming in your mind, you can always send it to me. I'll answer them. And then we have another session where we finally decide what Namya is getting into. Done?
yeah.
ये जिंदगी का सवाल है. इतना एकदम से नहीं कर देना चाहिए. आई वॉज ऑल्सो पोस्ट इन टू नॉन मेडिकल. पूरी फैमिली इंजीनियर्स की थी, तो मुझे भी नॉन मेडिकल में डाल दिया गया. यस, आई डिड वेरी वेल because I was too good in maths and physics, but I never wanted to be an engineer. Okay, now ask me questions. Anything you want to ask me. Today I have basically introduced myself to you, so now you know, okay, I can talk to this person regarding this. So
Yeah.
ask. Anything. It's not necessary that you have to shoot a question right now. Whenever there is a question, do not hesitate. You have my WhatsApp number, you have my email ID. Please write. I really want you to get into detail research. Okay, these are the things, because the things which are lurking in your mind, I want, if you can keep those things to the side and focus on yourself, being little mean. Okay, this is my life, my career. Okay, we cannot be 100% sure of that where we are getting it, we are going to be successful. But yes, whatever is known to us, for example, you've gone through a psychological test, psychometric test, you know this is what inputs are. I've given you my experience. Okay, for your kind of a profile, this it should be. You are the executor, etc., etc. So whatever precautions we can take, we will jump, and then we will see how things go on. We're going to be associated till you really reach your civil services or whatever we decide. Because my one inhibition is, if I ask you to get into science and too much of logical studies, your creativity is gone, your happiness is gone. It's not that you can't study. You'll be very good in science if you go through the profile I have written. Last paragraph I have written this only, that you'll be very suitable for science. But that is only a total pura karna ki somehow I have become an engineer, the end of it. And then जनरली पेरेंट्स का होता है कि बड़ी हो गई है, अब इंजीनियरिंग हो गई, अब इसकी कहीं नौकरी लग गई, अब शादी वादी होगी, कहानी खत्म. Whereas I feel we can play with the people like you, because your creativity is strong. But only thing is, there's a lot of wastage of time that you need to really cut down. Okay.
Yeah.
So I'm open for questions, and I'm waiting a text from you when you say this particular day I want to sit down and again talk to you. You're welcome to do that. Okay, fine. So can
Yeah.
I talk to your mom, dad now? Your dad for some time?
Yeah.
No, we're not going to do anything cribbing about you. Don't worry.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
I think
हाँ जी, बताइए प्लीज. आई नीड योर कमेंट्स, जो भी हमने बातचीत की है.
one second. Yes, sir.
Whatever we've spoken, I've spoken to her. So
हाँ
give me
जी.
observations as a father. आपको क्या लगता है कि ये मुझे ठीक लग रहा है, नहीं ऐसा नहीं हम कर सकते हैं? बिल्कुल फ्रीली बात करिए.
नहीं, as of now the inclination जो उसका है साइंस का, हमें लगता है वो अच्छी है करने में. That's what my wife and I also feel. Me also feel. When we see her marks, and then when she's sitting, she will do it. Only problem is the sitting, a lot of distractions. एक बार वो बैठ जाएगी तो कर लेगी. I mean, she is a brilliant child. But उसको somehow है कि मेरे को साइंस नहीं करनी. I don't know why. Because I'm an engineer, my wife is a doctor. So
Okay.
What makes her think that, I really don't know. And we are also not very stubborn कि उसको साइंस ही लेनी चाहिए. We want her to do whatever she will be good at, and she should follow her passion actually. जो उसको करना है, हमें कोई problem नहीं है. And humanities is one of the line which we also thought she can take. I mean, because there are a lot of options available in mix and match in humanities, and then she will not feel confused. कोई काफी options हैं. अगर उसको ये नहीं अच्छा लग रहा तो she can take so many combinations as per her choice.
हाँ, मैंने 3-4 इसमें लिख के भेजे हैं जो suitable लगे हैं. फिर मैंने एक list भेजी है कि where all she can get into. It has engineering options also, it has medical options also, because she is a profile who can go in for any of these subjects, any of these 4 streams. Only thing is, based upon the circumstances, how she has been brought up, what is her present state of mind, and what kind of aspirations she has. To me, it appeared that she'll be very suitable if she gets into civil services, something, or maybe does her MBA HR from CAT and become a corporate trainer. She'll be very good at it. And otherwise, as a venture capitalist or as a lifestyle psychologist. So these are the options. She'll be very good. She'll be very good as a judge also, not as a lawyer, as a judge. And she'll be very good as a professor also, if she wants to get into study, because all these traits will come up when she's doing her graduation. Now in 10th, we can only decide, okay, these are the suitable subjects for +1, +2. After +2, I'm not expecting her to go in for any kind of a competition, but I want her to do very well in +2 so that she gets admission in best of the colleges. So this is what my अब आप बताइए इसमें
नहीं sir, as a forward path, if I see her 2 years down the line, we are also similar kind of a plan. But yes, one thing you have added, she should score very good in 12th, so that she can get into very good college, and that makes a very good foundation for her going forward in future. Rather, we are open with her also. I mean, if you want to go abroad and study, that is also okay with us. I mean,
after graduation,
she liked,
not before graduation.
After graduation. Yeah, after that's what we have planned actually. As of now, sir, everything is okay. I'm agreeing to what the way you are structuring the whole thing. I'm with you actually. Yes.
ओके, व्हाट आई एम इंटरेस्टेड इज, इसको बुरा नहीं मानना, पालने में थोड़ी मुश्किल आएगी. It's not easy child to bring up. She will have, I'm sure you must be having certain issues. So it is
Yeah.
part of the game. But what we have to keep at the back of mind is we cannot consider her okay, she's just 14, 15 years old girl. She is a person who has whose mental faculties are of a very high level. So we have to respect that sometime. Or abhi, as of now, what next I'll be very happy is I'm keen to conduct one session with her whenever she is ready, where we finally come to the decision, okay, this is what I'm taking, and so that I can tell her how to prepare for your 10th board exams, because I really want her to do well so that she lives in a very high self esteem. Because her kind of a people, if they are not given the positive feedback by the people those who are surrounding her, her self esteem can go down, and then she's not going to perform well at all. मतलब ये वो कैटेगरी के लोग होते हैं, या तो जिंदगी में बहुत अच्छा करते हैं या कुछ नहीं करते हैं. तो ये 2-3 साल बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है इसके लिए. अगर तो इसकी सेल्फ एस्टीम ऊपर हो गई, इसको सक्सेस मिलती गई, तो ये बहुत हाई फाई चली जाएगी. अदरवाइज शी विल बिकम वेरी क्रिटिकल. मतलब आसपास के लोगों को डांस करवा देगी ये. This is it.
Okay. That is fine, sir.
So whenever she says, I'll again sit with her and talk it out, what final subjects and how to prepare for 10th board.
That is fine.
मुझे लग रहा है कि इसको एक ये बातें मैं कर लेता हूँ किस तरीके से तैयारी करनी है, because she wants to do well but somehow नहीं होता कई बार. as a teenager you unable to अपनी मतलब फोकस नहीं कर पाते हो. तो I think I'll be able to
channelize the energy.
So as a father, what is your contribution? मैं बहुत uncomfortable word use कर रहा हूँ, sorry. For her studies and आजकल क्या, what do you enjoy with her?
See, we always go spend good time together, going out, having dinner, lunch.
मैंने आपको कोई अपना
talking.
मैंने डैड एंड डॉटर का कुछ भेजा है आपको, कुछ है वैसे?
Yes.
उसमें से देखो कुछ अगर पकड़ सकते हो, एक आधी चीज पकड़ लो उसमें से. और एक में I'll be sending something for her where 3 things I've told her: the liquid intake, the alkaline food, and your wife is a doctor. I think she would be the best person to tell her about these 3: alkaline food and the endorphins.
No, sir, actually,
but for the mother, it is very difficult to implement things.
You can fire your guns from my shoulders. You can always say that he said.
Your video, actually, we recently shifted to India. We were in UAE actually, and I used to take her for trekking, hiking, swimming, and she and me, we used to enjoy it actually. We were a great company always, still also actually. So that time, that kind of I have good bonding with her.
हाँ, मैं आज चाहता हूँ, can you do something? I'll tell you. किसी भी दिन, just make her sit in front of you, hold her hands and look into her eyes, and जैसे पुराने जमाने में होते थे ना, like आप लोग क्या हिंदू हो, क्या
हिंदू या
हाँ, तो जैसे वचन देते थे ना पुराने जमाने में कि भाई ये वचन है और तुम इस वचन का जब मर्जी इस्तेमाल कर लेना. आई रियली वांट यू टू गिव योर डॉटर एक इस तरीके से ना कि बेटा जिंदगी में कभी भी चाहे तुमने गलत किया हो, चाहे कुछ भी हो जाए, आई विल सपोर्ट यू. बिकॉज ये जो पर्सनैलिटी प्रोफाइल है, बुरा नहीं मानना, ये लोग बाहर किसी से भी चिपक सकते हैं. द मोमेंट दे फाइंड समबडी who is able to support them and they start liking intellectually that person, ये बहुत जल्दी चिपक जाते हैं. So this is where I want you to step in between. All your those activities of UAE, somehow whether she likes it or not, because she's growing up also, so as a grown up daughter also, sometime नहीं इतना ज़्यादा, she needs some privacy also, but give her this kind of a वचन कि बेटा जिंदगी में कभी भी कुछ टेढ़ा मेढ़ा हो जाए ना, चाहे तेरी गलती चाहे कुछ भी हो गई, come to me, I will support you. बस just give her this kind of a thing.
Yeah.
And be rest assured. Because ये लोग थोड़ा सा, अब मैं बहुत अनकंफर्टेबल वर्ड यूज करूंगा, ये अपने ही घर में टेररिस्ट होते हैं. थोड़ा इनकी हरकतें कुछ रिबेलियस टाइप की होती हैं. बस ठीक है. राइट?
ठीक सर, राइट.
बहुत अच्छा लगा आप लोगों से मिल करके, एंड आई वेट नेक्स्ट टू डू द नेक्स्ट सेशन. ऑल द बेस्ट.
राइट. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much. Thank you. Bye-bye. Bye bye.